In the heart of Brittany, where the Atlantic whispers to the ancient land, lies the mystical forest of Broceliande. This dense, verdant woodland, steeped in Celtic mythology, was a realm steeped in enchantment and shrouded in mystery. The forest was said to be the home of Morgan le Fay, a powerful sorceress and sister to King Arthur. She was a figure of both awe and fear, her magic woven into the very fabric of Broceliande. One day, a young knight named Percival ventured into the forest, seeking the Holy Grail. He was warned by the wise Merlin, but the allure of the Grail was too strong. As Percival journeyed deeper into the forest, he encountered strange and wondrous sights. He saw the lake of the Lady of the Lake, where Excalibur was forged. He walked the paths where Arthur and his knights once roamed, their tales echoing through the trees. But it was not all wonders. The forest held dangers too. Percival was confronted by terrifying creatures, their eyes glowing in the darkness. He faced challenges that tested his courage and strength. In the heart of the forest, he finally came upon a crystal cave, guarded by a fearsome dragon. Within the cave, he found the Holy Grail. But as he reached for it, Morgan le Fay appeared, seeking to claim the Grail for herself. A fierce battle ensued, with Percival and Morgan le Fay clashing in a display of magical might. In the end, Percival emerged victorious, but the forest was forever changed. The enchantment that once held the forest seemed to fade, and the forest returned to its wild, untamed state. Percival returned to King Arthur, bearing the Holy Grail. But the forest of Broceliande, with its tales of magic, mystery, and danger, remained a place of wonder for centuries to come. It stood as a testament to the power of Celtic mythology, a reminder of the enchantment that once held the hearts of those who dared to venture within.